You guys should peep the entries, man. Sniper entries at this point. Another day, another dollar. So I took this buy trade on Jump 100 index and I shared the buy signal to my VIP members. More buy is expected on this index in the coming hours and days. I've got my 2 TPs smashed and today still buying massively. I did like a reversal point on this index. This is like the lows of this index. I caught these reversals at this point. So I'll be sharing with you guys how I was able to predict the buys at this zone, how I knew this index is going to buy from these points. You can see how mad my entries were. Right, so coming to the daily time frame, as you guys know that whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look at future opportunities, I start from a high time frame, and this high time frame can be the daily time frame, it can be the weekly time frame, or it can be the monthly time frame. So I think we should actually start analyzing this index from the weekly time frame, right? Can the market give us a clear view? So on this weekly time frame, we can see that we have a level here basically. We have this level which has been a strong level which the market formed historically. Checking the market reaction here, we can see that we got buy reactions on this zone, right? First buy reaction, second buy reaction, support level confirmed, third buy reaction here. So we've got couple buy reactions on this level. Also got a buy reaction here on the weekly time frame on job 100 index. So checking when we got this reaction is on the 4th of June 2023. That's when we got the first buy reaction on this level as a support. Then we got the second one here, the third one, the fourth one. Had about 4 buy reactions on that zone. So this is a historical level which I marked out, which I spotted. Right, and on the weekly time frame still, we can see that we have this current market direction, which is market being in an uptrend. Is clearly seen here. We've got price create higher lows formation and higher highs formation. So we got this market be in an uptrend. This market is moving in an uptrend currently. So this index is on a bullish phase, would say. So adding to this level we got here and our trend, is expected that on price selling to these points after price came to give a test of our resistance trend level, as well as these points, as well as this zone here, which is a bearish order block level. This is a bearish order block formation, rally based drop. So price testing this order block, selling to come test this zone, is expected that we should get a bullish move on this index in the coming weeks and months. And we got price sell with this rejection we got here. And looking at this bullish move we got on the weekly time frame, we had this long bullish run. We had about we had 1, 2, 3, 4 bullish weeks before this red candle here, before this single bullish week here, before this one bullish week we got here. Then afterwards we got another massive bullish week that price got to test this zone. Yeah, that price went to test this other block level for the sales. So in this row, in this whole move, there was only one point which we got a bearish candle formation, which is at this point. So we should expect something interesting. We should expect a move from these points. So you can see price selling to these points and giving the rejection from this zone. So on the daily time frame, which I went to, I had a clear view of this level. Regardless of same price creates this bearish reversal pattern formation, which is a head and shoulders pattern formation on the daily time frame. I was bullish. I was looking out for buy opportunities on this index. So we got this head and shoulders pattern formation here, the left shoulder, the head and the right shoulder, then the neckline at this zone, which price broke below the neckline here, which price broke below and give a retest for the sales. So we also had another reversal pattern formation here, which is a bigger one. The head at this point, the left shoulder and the right shoulder, and the neckline would say is on this line. And this neckline is usually level of support and resistance. If the market presented a head and shoulders pattern formation, these necklines are usually support levels. We see potential market rejections from this neckline before price decides to break below it, if at all market is going to break below it. But looking at this structure, looking at this market trend, we can see that this market is in an uptrend. It's very much clear, getting higher lows formation and higher highs formation, adding to this zone. You can see market traction here. Let's spot it out. Basically, we actually identified this on the weekly time frame, but we can see it clearly on the daily time frame. So let's mark it out. First buy reaction there, second buy reaction here, support, third buy reaction here, support, right? Fourth buy reaction at this point, support. So we've got a couple buy reactions on this zone as a support. Then we got market break below this level. I think gave a retest on it, but not really a proper retest. But we got price sell, bringing below this level, support level turn resistance. So we got the approach of this level after the break below it. We got these little cells. Price gave the move to the upside, faked out the sell, then pushed back. So on price pushing back, trading above this level in particular, right? Days later, would say weeks later, price sold to come test this same zone. This zone of got previous market reactions on price sold to come test it. So identifying these historical levels, these zones can be a very powerful approach in the market. When you spotted these levels, there are possibilities that you could see future market reactions on price getting to these levels. So always do well to identify these levels in the market, right? So you can see price testing this level. So I went to the 4 hour time frame. I looked at for buy opportunities because I already got my focus on this index on seeing this market formation. So I had to go to the 4 hour time frame, identify this zone, right, with our trend, which I spotted already on the daily time frame. So on this 4 hour time frame, I looked at buy opportunities, but I can't just buy this index here. Right? I can't place a buy trade on this 4 hour time frame chart. Then my SL at this point, because placing a buy trade here would require me having a bigger stop loss level, right, which is not really nice and which would affect my risk to reward on this trade. So I had to just scale down to lower time frame. I went to the 15-minute time frame, right? Went to 15-minute time frame and identified a formation, a bullish structure, because I'm looking out for buy opportunities. I have to identify bullish structure. So I got this bullish formation on the 15-minute time frame, which is market creating higher lows formation, right, and higher highs formation. So I also was able to identify this other block formation we got here, which is a bullish other block formation. So we got this rally base rally formation here. So on price testing this zone, I got my entries here. So at this point, I shared the buy signal. I gave the buy signal on this index. I shared it to my VIP members, and we've made good profit from this trade. More buy is expected basically after we got price break past this zone. I was thinking that this would be a challenging level for the market to break past, but on her price was able to break past this level. It gave me more confidence on this trade, and I moved my stop loss above my entry. My first and second TP levels has been smashed, and I've taken partial profits as well. They move my stop loss above my entry, holding the remaining positions to run up, right? So everything's moving nicely well on this index. We could see price buy to this zone. We could get the buys to this level. Yeah, the next move possibly which we could get is price getting to this point. Then is at this point we could see possible reaction on this index, and we could as well see price do what, come test this level, give a retest of this zone as a broken level of resistance, because this level was currently a resistance. It was previously a resistance. So the support here, you can see price sell to this point, give the buys, break below it, resistance, resistance. So this was a level of resistance previously. Then price gave a break above it without selling from it as a resistance due to the bullish nature of this market currently. Market was able to break past this level. Price was able to break past this level, break above this level, turning this level of support, this level of resistance to a support. If you can get price, give a retest there, then I could look out for possible buys on getting good confirmations on this level. All right, more buys is expected on jump 100 index in the coming hours and days. Basically, let's see what happens. All right, so our next possible level should be here, because looking at market reactions here, you can see that this has been a level we've got market reactions on previously. You can see it here, resistance here, right, and support at this zone, support here, sorry, support here before price break below resistance. So if price can test this level, could see possible resistance reaction here. Then if price can actually break past this zone, then we would get long buys on this index, at least for price to come test this next other block level we spotted on the 4 hour time frame. This next zone, basically this zone of resistance. Right, so let's see what happens on this index. A nice trade taking here, a nice buy trade taking on jump 100 index. So that's this, guys. That's how I take the buy trade on this index by working with the market structure on a higher time frame, then scaling down to a lower time frame for my entry points. So for more trade visitors and market analysis, hit the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support. Please engage in my videos. It means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.